I'm about to say something you're not going to like, but you need to hear it. You're probably not going to make $10,000 before January 1st. And the worst part, it's not because you can't. It's because you probably won't. You've gotten comfortable being stuck, scrolling through social media, watching other people win, while you tell yourself the same excuses about why you can't start. But I'm challenging you anyway, because I know there is a chance, maybe a small one, that you'll take this seriously and prove me wrong. And if you do, the next month or the next few weeks could change your entire life. So the real question is, are you going to keep making excuses, or are you going to be the one who finally does something about it? My name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. As a matter of fact, I had my first $1,000 day at 21 and my first $2,600 day at 22. That is cash collected, by the way, not even revenue. Let me tell you exactly why I'm challenging you to this ridiculous goal of making $10,000 in basically a month or just a few weeks. There's this concept called Parkinson's Law, and once you understand this, you're gonna realize why you've been moving so slow your entire life. Parkinson's Law basically says that the work you need to do expends to fill whatever time you give it. So if you give yourself a year to make $10,000, guess what? It's gonna take you a year at least. If you give yourself 6 months, it'll take at least 6 months. But if you give yourself 1 month, you're gonna find a way to do it in 1 month. It's literally like water taking the shape of whatever container you pour it into. If you pour water into a massive bucket, it spreads out and fills that whole bucket. If you pour it into a tiny cup, it takes the shape of that cup. Your productivity, your hustle, your focus, it all works the exact same way. When you don't have a deadline, or when you give yourself too much time, you get lazy, you procrastinate. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow, then tomorrow becomes next week, then next week becomes next month, and before you know it, a whole year has passed and you haven't done anything. But when you set a tight deadline that actually scares you a little bit, suddenly you can't afford to waste time anymore. You can't afford to scroll on TikTok for 3 hours. You can't afford to binge watch Netflix until 3 in the morning. You go hard because you have to. That's exactly why we're doing this challenge. That's why the deadline is January 1st, because I want you to experience what it feels like to actually move fast and get results instead of just, thinking about it for a month and doing fucking nothing. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, here's what I want you to do right now. Pause this video and make a list. Write down everything you do on a weekly basis. Literally everything. Going to the gym, hanging out with friends, watching Netflix, scrolling on social media, playing video games, even going to parties. Whatever it is that you do with your time, write it all down. Now look at that list and be brutally honest with yourself. How many of those activities are actually moving you closer to your goals? How many of them are just instant gratification that makes you feel good in the moment but does absolutely nothing for your future? I'm not saying you can't have fun. I'm not saying you need to become a robot that only works and never enjoys life. But when you have a massive goal, like making $10,000 in a month, you need to understand that sacrifice is required. You can't have everything, unfortunately. You can't party every weekend and also build a business. You can't watch Netflix for 4 hours every night and also hit your income goals. It doesn't work that way. Let's say you wanted to run 5 kilometers to get home, and that's your only method of transportation. You can't get a car, you can't get a bike, you can't call an Uber, you can only run. Well, the only way to get home faster is to run faster, right? You can't just magically teleport there. I wish we could. So you have to put in the work. The same thing is true with making money. If you want to make $10,000 in a month, you need to eliminate or heavily reduce all the activities that are slowing you down. Don't watch Netflix at all. Or if you really need it to relax at the end of the day, fine. But only do it for 1 to 2 hours at the end of the day after you've already put in the work. But that's it. No staying up late, telling yourself you'll just watch 1 more episode when, let's be honest, we all know it turns into 5 more episodes and suddenly it's 3 in the morning and you have to wake up in 4 hours. Kill those habits because they're keeping you broke. Now look, you need to kill the limiting belief that $10,000 is a lot of money because it's really not. It's nothing. I'm serious. $10,000 is not by any means life-changing money. You can't buy a house with that. You can't even buy a half-decent car with that. It's a few months rent payment at best, which sure, it's nice, but again, by no means is that life-changing. The reason I'm telling you this is because I know a lot of people see that number, $10,000, and they think it's impossible to make that much money in a month. They think $10,000 is this massive mountain that's so far out of reach that they might as well not even try. But that's a story you're telling yourself. $10,000 is actually pretty easy to make when you have the right vehicle and you're willing to put in the work. The only reason it seems like a lot to you is because you're probably making minimum wage at some job you hate, or you're making decent money, like it's okay, you're making $4,000 a month, or maybe you're not even making any money at all. But once you shift your mindset and realize that $10,000 is just a number, just a goal that can be broken down and achieved, everything changes. Stop putting it on a pedestal. Stop acting like it's some impossible feat. It's not. People make $10,000 every single day. Some people make that in a week. Some people make that in a day, in an hour. So why can't you make it in a month? The only thing stopping you is your own limiting beliefs and your unwillingness to do what it takes. Now, let's break this down, because when you actually look at the math, $10,000 becomes way less intimidating. $10,000 is only 100 sales at $100 each. That's it. If you had a product or a service that cost $100 and you sold it to 100 people, boom, you just made $10,000. Or it's 10 sales at $1,000 each. 10 sales, that's basically one sale every 3 days. Or it's literally one sale at $10,000. One client, one customer who pays you $10,000 for whatever it is you're offering. When you break it down like that, it doesn't seem that crazy anymore, does it? The problem is, most people never break it down. They just look at the big number and freak out and convince themselves it's impossible. But everything becomes possible when you break it down into smaller pieces. So figure out what you're gonna sell, how much you're gonna charge for it, and then do the math. How many sales would you need to hit $10,000 in revenue? Then go make those sales happen. It's that simple. It is not easy, don't get me wrong, but it is simple. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. So how are you actually gonna make this happen? The best way, hands down, is to start an online business. And please, before you start making countless excuses about how you don't have any money to start, or how you don't have any experience, or you don't know what to do, just stop. Breathe. You can start an online business with basically nothing. Nobody's born with the knowledge on how to do it. You have the internet, you have access to information, you have access to customers all over the world. There's literally never been a better time in human history to make money online. But here's the catch. Not all business models are equal. You can be rowing as hard as you want, but if you are in the wrong boat, you're never gonna get anywhere. Period. Some business models are slow. They require a ton of upfront investment, they have low profit margins, they're very complicated, while other business models are fast, they're low cost to start, but they have high profit margins, and they're relatively simple. That's the kind of boat you want to be in. You need to pick the right vehicle, because the vehicle matters way more than how hard you work. I've seen people work their asses off in terrible business models and make almost nothing. I've spoken with 300 people on Zoom calls. I know what I'm talking about. And I've seen people put half the effort in the right business model and make stupid amounts of money. So if you want to learn about what is the best business model for beginners who want to make money fast, I've got a free training linked below. Go watch it. It'll show you exactly what business model I recommend, what business model I've done to make thousands of dollars a day, and why it's so powerful for people who are just starting out. I've personally used it to make thousands of dollars a day in profit. Look, I know that making $10,000 only in 30 days, starting from scratch, seems impossible. I know some people are already thinking of reasons why they can't do it, but that's exactly the point. That's exactly why I'm challenging you. Because you need to push yourself beyond what you think is possible. You need to experience what it feels like to go all in on something for 30 days and see what happens. Even if you don't hit the full $10,000, even if you make $5,000 or $3,000 or just $1,000, that's still money you wouldn't have made if you didn't try at all. And more importantly, You're gonna learn so much about yourself, about business, about what you're actually capable of when you stop making excuses and you start taking massive action. So are you in or are you out? Are you gonna be part of the 1% that actually tries and maybe succeeds? Or are you gonna be like 99% of people who browse YouTube all day, they think about it for a second, think it's cool, and then go right back to scrolling like fucking losers? The choice is yours, but January 1st is coming whether you do something or not. So let's make it happen. If you click the link in the description, you'll get access to the free training, and you can also book a call with me or a member of my team. We'll give you a custom step-by-step game plan so you can get your first customers as quickly as possible, even with limited time or money. Now spots fill up very fast, so do that now. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.